Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this short Excel tutorial, I'll show you 3 quick ways to change the zoom level in Excel. Whether you want to zoom in for more detail or zoom out to see the bigger picture, these tricks will make it fast and easy. Let's get started. Method 1. Zoom from the View tab. The first option is on the View tab. On the ribbon, there's a Zoom group. Here you can click 100% to reset your zoom level instantly. Use Zoom to Selection, which zooms in on just the cells you've highlighted. Click the Zoom button to pick a custom percentage like 200%, 50%, or even type in your own number, like 55%. This works, but it can feel a little slow since you need several clicks. Method 2. Use the Zoom slider. A faster option is in the bottom right corner of Excel. There's a Zoom slider bar. Just drag the handle left or right to zoom in or out. For example, I can jump to 218%, or pull it down quickly to 50% or 60%. This method is much quicker and very handy. Method 3. Keyboard and mouse shortcut. The third and often the favourite method is to use a simple keyboard and mouse trick. Hold the Control key on your keyboard, then use your mouse scroll wheel. Scroll up to zoom in. Scroll down to zoom out. Tip: if the zooming feels jumpy, click into cell A1 first. From there, the zooming action becomes much smoother and easier to follow. So those are 3 easy ways to change the zoom level in Excel. The View tab Zoom group, the Zoom slider in the bottom right corner, and the Control plus scroll wheel shortcut. Use whichever works best for you, depending on the situation. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post a new Excel tutorial.